Oh yeah, you need this one. Learn how to make it here on Rice Cooker Baking with Life a Pang. It's mango season here, and this recipe is a must. You will need about 1 to 2 mangoes, depending on the size of the mangoes. We'll need some slices and some cube mangoes. I started with 3 teaspoons of oil. But the crumbs was still too dry, so I added 2 more teaspoons. Mix the crumbs until combined. Now lightly grease your pot so the paper doesn't move around. Take 1 long sheet of parchment paper and lay it on the bottom. Flatten it to the bottom as much as possible. And then grease that parchment paper. Now crisscross another long sheet of parchment paper on top and seal the edges as well. These will make it easier for us to take out the cheesecake later on. Now press the crumbs to the bottom using any flat tools you have. By the way, the full recipe, the instructions, and oven baking are at the bottom of this video, so be sure to check that out. Now set this aside. Your cream cheese should be at room temperature soft. If not, just microwave it for about 30 seconds. Beat the cream cheese for about 30 seconds. Use caster sugar or fine sugar here if you have it. And you can also use mango yogurt. I just couldn't find any here. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, make sure you watch to the end because I do have some important tips at the end for you to be successful. And I would love it if you could like, share, and comment on this video. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Pang and I put out a new recipe every Saturday. Oops, I forgot the cornstarch. So subscribe and you won't miss out on any delicious recipes, okay? Now taste your batter for sweetness level before adding the egg. Mine is not that sweet. You can add more sugar if you want it sweeter. Back to our crust, arrange some slices of mangoes on the bottom in whatever design you like, but don't cover the whole crust. Now add half the batter, tilting the pot to get the batter evenly distributed. Add another layer of mangoes. Again, do not add too much. And put a paper towel to catch condensation and let's bake. Now one bake cycle is about 5 to 10 minutes in hot heat, which is in the cook status, and 20 to 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. Bake for 2 to 3 cycles before checking. And this is after 3 bake cycle, which is 90 minutes. This should be fine, but I'm gonna do another bake cycle. Your tester will not be clean, but it will have clumps on it. Cool this at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours, slightly cover to prevent it from drying out, and then tightly cover and chill at least 4 hours in the refrigerator before cutting. Mine was chilled overnight. If you bake my recipe, do share a picture or short video with me. You can email them to me or connect with me on any of these social media. All the links are at the bottom of the text box below. Do like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for new recipes every Saturday. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. This is at a fruit sweetness level.